Mastering Microsoft Outlook Chapter 6 to 10. A step-by-step guide by SmokeWorld Tech Guides. Script by ChatGPT. Video by Pictory AI. Chapter 6. Composing and sending emails. To compose a new message, click New Email in the Home tab. Add recipients in to CC or BCC and write a concise subject line. Insert files using the Attach File icon. Select from recent items or browse your computer for the correct file. Ensure attachments are under the recipient's size limit. Use formatting tools to style your text, add bullet points, or embed links. Use the Insert tab for images, tables, or signatures. Chapter 7. Managing your calendar. Switch to the calendar view using the navigation pane. View schedules by day, week, or month. To create a meeting, click New Meeting. Add participants, set the time, and include any notes or attachments. Use Scheduling Assistant to check availability. Share your calendar with colleagues by clicking Share Calendar in the toolbar. Choose the level of access for each recipient. Chapter 8. Advanced Features. Use categories to color-code emails by topic or priority. Flag messages for follow-up to ensure no task is missed. Search emails using the search bar. Type keywords, use filters, or input a sender's name for precise results. Archive old messages to reduce inbox clutter while keeping them accessible. Create reusable email templates for repetitive messages under File, Options, Mail, Templates. Chapter 9. Troubleshooting common issues. Accidentally deleted an email? Navigate to the Deleted Items folder. Find the message, and right-click to move it back. To reset your account password, go to the Microsoft Account Recovery page. Enter your email and follow the security prompts. Resolve sync issues by checking your internet connection, updating the app, or removing and re-adding the account. Chapter 10. Tips and Best Practices. Enhance your Outlook experience with these tips. Archive emails regularly, update folder rules, and use keyboard shortcuts like Ctrl+R to reply or Ctrl+Shift+M to create a new email. Enable focused inbox to prioritize important messages. Closing scene. Visual of a neatly organized Outlook interface. With these steps, you're now ready to master Microsoft Outlook. Organize smarter and work faster. Thank you for watching. I also take requests. Please feel free to reach out for a custom request. Hit that subscribe button. SmokeWorld Tech Guides.